Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Bitcoin update today. And Bitcoin has been just a little bit slow and kind of really killing our excitement once again. But that's the deal with Bitcoin. That's always what Bitcoin is all about. Stressful trading is really stressful sometimes, and I do get it. Okay, so at this point of time, um, you can see that you're making in a W here. You popped up, you went for the retest. You should have actually gone to the upside. But I really hate when this happens, and it's happening a lot of time nowadays. I mean, I've never seen crypto doing this much fake outs. Like, especially right now, the problem is that it has to do something with the bear market, and you cannot do anything about it. When the bears are there, you don't see volume, you don't see buyers in, and the market is just pretty flat. You don't have too much choices to trade at all. Even if you get some few choices, this ends up happening. Fake outs can happen again. So I've actually seen fake outs in so many setups, and this is all due to the reason and the fact that money in crypto still hasn't flowed in just yet. When the money comes in, you're not going to be looking at flat sideways movement. All you're going to see is green candles to the upside. That's it. That's the rally. So we are just in a phase where the market is like this. I'm looking for something like this in the future. At some point, it's like this here. Let's say the bear market is right now 80% loaded, and I do think that the bull run may come in, and I'm going to bring in the bull run just on the 20% side of it, maybe. So we're looking for this to end up going up like this. So I don't think it's still a good idea to really lose hope, because when the time comes, it's going to be a sweet one. Not a lot of people are expecting it. And so back into the Bitcoin charts right now. Now that you're losing this area, it could actually speak that we may see Bitcoin to come down here and take these stop losses away. That may be the situation. Or one more thing is, we may have a trend line being formed right there. So you're looking for this trend line, and we may see Bitcoin right now, if everything goes as expected with the trend line, is the following: that you do have Bitcoin one touch, two touch right there, and right now you may come down, have another touch, and then bounce off here, and then try to move to the upside once again. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I do remember that some few days when I told you that as time passes, your stop loss may get a little bit lower. So if Bitcoin is looking to come down and touch this line, it may as well touch this stop loss, but you see it's still above that resistance here. So if I do zoom out, you still have this resistance, which is now as your support. So basically, if this resistance gets touched like this, you may still go up, take that stop loss. So maybe at this point of stage, I may say that the stop loss may change a little bit and even come down to 26,092, because coming down like this and going inside here makes that gap that, hey, you'll be interested to move even lower. So that's it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.